Hi everyone, in this video I will show you different methods on how you can easily fix app not installed error each time when you try installing an app or APK that you downloaded either from Chrome or any other platform. So I'll be taking you through different solutions that you can try to have this error fixed. So for example, I'm trying to install this WhatsApp APK but it shows app not installed. So I'll be taking you through different solutions on how to fix that. But in case you don't understand my accent very well or some words are not clear, you can click on CC so that you enable subtitles as you follow along. So the first solution is for you to first make sure that you have enough storage on your device, and that is the internal storage should be sufficient. So you go to your file manager and then you try checking some of the apps that you do not want to use and you uninstall them so that you create enough space. So because sometimes this error comes when you do not have sufficient storage on your internal memory. So the other thing you can do is to clear cached files so that still it creates some space. So then after freeing up space, you can try installing, and if it still doesn't work, the second solution is for you to allow installation of unknown apps on Chrome. So you open your phone settings and then you select apps and notifications, and then you select Chrome. So then under Chrome you scroll down to the bottom and then you click install unknown apps. So if you find that that option is disabled, you make sure that you enable it, so you turn it on so that you'll be able to install apps downloaded from Chrome. So you can do this for any other app that you use. So then the third solution is for you to clear Play Store and Play Services cache. So you open your phone settings, go to apps and notifications, and then you click see all apps. Then you scroll down to where there is Google Play Store. So you click on it, then under storage you clear its cache. So after doing that, you go back to the list of apps and then you select Google Play Services, then still under storage you also clear cache. So then the other thing still under the list of apps that you can do, when you see at the top right corner there are those three dots, so you click on those three dots at the top right corner, then you select show system, then under that you scroll down and select package installer. So you find most of them are arranged alphabetically, so you scroll down, select package installer, then under its storage you clear cache. So having done that, you can try installing the app, and that takes me to the fourth solution. If after trying that still it doesn't work, you open your Play Store app and then you click on your profile icon at the top right corner on Play Store, then you select Play Protect. So by default you might find it's turned on, so you click on that settings icon at the top right corner, that gear icon, then you turn off Play Protect. So after turning it off, you can turn it on after you've installed the app. Then the other final solution, of which I don't recommend in most cases, but when you have an option you can try it, is to set app preferences. So you open your phone settings, then select apps and notifications, then you select see all apps, then now at the top right corner where there are those three dots, you click on them and then you select reset app preferences. So you won't lose your data, but the app preferences will change, but after installing the app then you can change them back to the way they were. So after trying all that, you can go back and install your APK and I believe by this time it will work. So don't worry if these don't work. I've put other methods at the end of the video that you can try in case none of this has worked. So successfully it has been installed. So you can try these other methods, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell such that each time when I make a new video you can be among the first to watch. And you can follow me on Instagram at alphamediaug, and see you in the next video.